Alright guys, we're out here with the WiMiUS. Okay, this is my first flight, or my second flight, because the first one was an unmitigated disaster where it crashed into a building. Okay, so I got the video started. I believe. No, wait a minute, hold on. Let's start. No, okay, we got the video started. Yay, we got that working. Let's take off. Okay. I suggest when you get this thing, don't fly it without the app. I wasn't using the app, and it flew like hell. I lost the bind on it, and I'm gonna try to get it up here and hold it still for the. Now it only has a 30-meter range, so when I had it out there, I lost the bind on it, and it just flew away. It did like what the Tello always does, flies away. Okay, the Tello is really good at doing that. Yeah, so the range is only 30 meters as for the altitude. It's kind of like a Tello. So we're gonna see what the video looks like here. I'm trying to get it to hold still so the video will look kind of clear. I can tell you right now it doesn't fly as good as the Mambo. Not even close. Of course, not many of them do. So, the Mambo is a one-of-a-kind type deal, okay? It's really an awesome flying quad. This one here seems to be pretty slow, to be honest with you. There it is. I lost the... There it is. It's gone. It's flying away. So, it lost the bind, of course. So now I have to go catch up to it. So there is a terrible amount of range. Okay? Terrible. Okay, so I had to walk all the way out here. And grab it. Yeah, I'm not real impressed with this thing at all, guys. It's terrible. Well, at least it didn't do what it did yesterday when I flew it. It flew in, you'll see the video when I post that parrot video. It flew right into that building by them old railroad tracks and everything. It just flew right into it. It didn't stop like it just did there, because that's what it's supposed to do. When it goes out of range, it's supposed to just stop. Oh, the optical flow on this thing is so jerky. They probably just shouldn't have put it on there. I mean, what do you need it for something like this? Look how it wants to keep resetting itself. That's the optical flow sensor doing that. That's no wind. There's no wind at all. Not even a mile-an-hour wind. No, look at the tree. They're not even moving. But that's the optical flow adjusting all this garbage every time you let off of the sticks. See it doing that little wobble? So I went from here to that. Not even to the dirt of the baseball diamond, and the range was out. So that can't be 80 feet, okay? That can't be. So the range on this is really terrible. And it has a terrible pitch to it too. Look at that. There goes it. Look. Okay. said battery is low. So this thing is a real pile of dog shit, man, I'm telling you. I'm trying to get the video to save, but it doesn't want to stop recording. It just keeps saying battery is low, return to home, and I keep trying to stop the video. Okay, there it is. I just used the button on it. Yeah, okay, so the 2 times I've flown this thing, the first time it crashed, and this time it goes out of, the range is terrible on this thing, absolutely terrible. This is even worse than the Tello, okay? This is worse than that. Alright guys, enough of this WiMiUS piece of dog shit. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.